Here I've got HUAWEI P Smart Z, and let me show you all the ringtones on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then find and select sounds, pick a ringtone, it can be for SIM first or the second, it doesn't matter, and now here you've got present ringtones, so the list is pretty wide. Let's come along with all of them, starting with HUAWEI tune. And then pick the ringtone that you like the most, for example Dream, go back, and that's actually it. As you can see, it has been changed, so this is how you can smoothly and easily change ringtone, and you just came along with all the available ringtones for your HUAWEI P Smart Z. So that would be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.